Still, we not got a phone call, which is common for Michelin. But of course, we still hope that after 7-8 years, our work can be rewarded somehow. And then we turn it around, and then it was a roller coaster of emotion for us, I guess, yesterday. Very, very happy to be, after our long journey, one of them. It just honest, feels special, very special. We opened like 2016, but we've been here already since 2008. And we always had the dream of opening our own restaurant. And we feel like that's the right place and the right time for us to be. When we opened the restaurant in 2016, we actually took all our savings and then moving in that house and started slowly to renovate it and inviting people to our home, basically, representing us and our heritage, and start cooking. I remember the first service. I mean, nothing was perfect, of course, but we was very excited. We represent our heritage, a lot of emotion to ourselves, and the emotion we wanted to give to our guests since the first day. And now we open 10 years, and we still can dream and give the emotions to our guests every day. Now, like I say, we're sitting here having 3 Star, presenting ourselves, presenting our heritage, and that's awesome.
Morning.
Good morning. Welcome to a new day. I can see everything's changed a little bit here today, yeah? It's a new beginning, I say. We have 3 Stars, but I think we do everything the same. We welcome our guests, bring the best possible experience to each and everyone. Show the guests today that you are proud, that you are happy. 3 Stars that, shine today. Make the guests happy, like Thomas say. Exactly, it's your day, guys. Be proud of yourself, proud of the restaurant, and give it all, okay?
Some people work a long time with us, almost 10 years, some people from the very beginning of the restaurant. And it's also a bit rare to see that your stuff's sticking with you and for so long, but makes us also proud and happy.
In the end of the day, the only thing that comes first is the guests. We want people to be happy and create memorable experiences.
Yeah, so it's pretty much very, very similar days. Arrive in the morning, check the emails, service, purchasing. Of course, we are here all time, but a lot of positive vibes.
For today, we have 18 tables, 18 guests, 9 tables. We have D1, classroom, D2. For today, also full for dinner. We have a few food restrictions, but we'll be running through that later. Let's check the restaurant, make sure everything is set up and beautiful.
Our background is chefs, and we're spending a lot of time in the kitchen, of course, but we're also business owner. We also understand that the front of house it's very important for us. It's a little bit the slogan, the guests coming for the meal first for the food, but they will come back for the service.
เราก็เริ่มมาจากร้านอาหารที่เสิร์ฟอะลาคาร์ทเนาะมีแขกแค่วันละหลักสิบแล้วก็เปลี่ยนมาหลังจากที่ได้รับรางวัลเนาะก็มีทั้งเซตเมนูก็มีพัฒนาการของการทำเซอร์วิสในหลายสเต็ปเห็นความเปลี่ยนแปลงเยอะค่ะตั้งแต่ที่เราได้รับรางวัลมาในทุกๆปีทำงานกับที่ซูริงมาก็เกือบจะ10 ปีแล้วค่ะลุ้นทุกๆปีแล้วก็ดีใจกับเชฟมากๆเพราะว่าเขาทำงานหนักมากเจนอยู่เคียงข้างกับเขามาตลอด
Just can say it's 10 years, but it's actually not long, and there's another 10 years coming, and we want to celebrate together with our staff. I think it's like a dream come true, and if you ask us, can you believe it or not? I mean, I think we still cannot believe it. I mean, yes, we have the jacket on, but I think there comes also a lot of responsibility. But we are very happy for our team who worked every day very hard with us, the passion, the dedication to make every guest happy.
Being a part of achieving a 3rd star means the world. I remember I was texting my family. I was like, this is probably the biggest day of my life. Seeing how much it means for them as well is something which is very unique.
What I like the most is really someone at the end of the dinner, when they shake your hand and they say, wow, it was amazing. You really did a good thing. I'm quite happy.
ประทับใจที่สุดจะมี2โมเมนต์นะก็โมเมนต์แรกในวันที่เราได้1 ดาวมิชลินดีใจมากเหมือนความฝันที่เป็นจริงส่วนอีกโมเมนต์หนึ่งก็คือเพิ่งเกิดขึ้นเมื่อวานเพราะว่าเจนรอมากับเชฟก็ค่อนข้างที่จะหลายปีค่ะ
We are very grateful that Thailand, the beautiful country of Thailand, welcomed us 18 years ago and believed in us, and we could dream big, could open our own restaurant and showing our heritage. It's for us very emotional because we're so far away from home, but cooking what we missed actually, that's emotional to us, and giving the emotion to the guests, that's the most important to us, and Thailand gave us that opportunity. I'm very grateful for that.
Thank you very much again, guys. Continue your hard work. And let's keep partying every day.
Yeah, man. You've been doing that for quite a while already.
Hello, I'm Matthias.
And my name is Thomas. We are the chef and owners of restaurant Sühring here in Bangkok, Thailand.